Welcome to Midwest Diesel Tech Academy. Our training school was established in 2019 with a commitment to providing high-quality education and hands-on training in diesel technology. Our state-of-the-art 10,500 square foot facility features 2 floors, including 4 classrooms and 4 fully equipped bays designed for hands-on lab work. Students have access to advanced training boards, cutting-edge equipment, and industry-standard tools to ensure a comprehensive learning experience. In partnership with the Department of Labor, we have developed a structured 9-month diesel technician apprenticeship program. This program includes 15 weeks of classroom instruction combined with hands-on labs, followed by 20 weeks of a paid internship where students train under the guidance of a journeyman technician. Upon completing the program, students continue their hands-on experience, accumulating 6,000 hours of on-the-job training to earn their journeyman certificate from the Department of Labor. Let's head over to the lab, where our instructor, Ed Weeks, is guiding students as they put their classroom knowledge into practice. Our students excel in this hands-on setting, eagerly anticipating the chance to gain real-world experience in the lab. Let's hear from one of our MDTA students.
Oh, hi there. I'm Caleb, current student at MDTA Tech. This is the Academy. In addition to being a student here at MDTA, I'm also a paid intern at Peterbilt Lincoln. Something else that I absolutely love about coming here is the amount of one-on-one time you get with your instructor. Normal classes tend to be upwards of 25-30 students, whereas my class here is approximately 8 to 10 students.
We go beyond teaching the fundamentals. We're preparing our students for successful careers. With years of industry experience, our instructor equips students with the latest technology and skills to keep trucks running smoothly. Are you ready to embark on a rewarding, high-demand career? Visit our website at www.mdtech.academy to submit your application. For a tour of the Academy, reach out to our co-administrators Mary Stubbs or Noah Hodak.